Have you ever experienced ringing in your ears after a concert or a loud event? Let's talk about noise-induced hearing loss. Noise-induced hearing loss is caused by exposure to loud sounds. It's irreversible and can happen suddenly or over time. Did you know that 1 in 4 adults have experienced noise-induced hearing loss? It can happen to anyone, regardless of age or occupation. Let's take a construction worker, for example. Their daily exposure to loud machinery puts them at risk for noise-induced hearing loss. Wear earplugs or earmuffs in loud environments, take breaks from noise, and keep the volume down on personal devices. We hope this video was beneficial. Remember, you can always reach out to one of the healthcare professionals in the hearing department at Enticare if you have any questions.